Many people ask me why I use Linux instead of Windows or Linux is better than Windows. So, the answer is not just better, it is significantly better. So, in this video, we will explore the reasons why Linux is better than Windows and also some essential Linux commands that are crucial for beginners. So, let's get started. So, the reason number one, it's open source philosophy. Linux is like a free and open textbook in the IT world. You can read it, improve it, and modify it collectively. Windows, on the other hand, is like a locked book with restricted access. Number two, its security. Linux is known for its strong security features. It acts like a strong shield against viruses and cyber attacks. Windows may sometimes fall ill due to computer viruses. Last but not the least, its efficiency. Linux doesn't easily get worn out. It operates efficiently and swiftly, especially in large scale environments. It's compatible with various types of computer setups without performance hiccups. So, these were the main reasons. Now, let's move towards the basics of Linux commands that are essential for beginners. So, here we go. So this is my Linux screen. Let's quickly open our terminal. So for this you can press Ctrl Alt and T. So terminal is ready. Now this terminal is the place where we execute all our commands. So here we enter our first command, which is ls. So ls means list the items. Wherever you are in the directory, it will display a list of all the elements. So press enter and you can see all the elements in the res directory. How will you find out which directory you are in? For that, there is a command called pwd. So right here pwd, which stands for print working directory. It will give you the complete address of the directory you are currently in. So press enter and you can see the complete address of the directory with its name. Now, there's another simple command called clear. It wipes out everything written on our terminal. So, type clear here and press enter. Now, you must be feeling good. So, these are the fundamental Linux commands. I hope you found this content helpful. That's all for now. Inshallah, we'll meet in the next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz.